ready to take your FC20 for teamwork to the next level. Today, we're diving into how to turn on and configure voice chat, so you can communicate with your teammates and dominate the competition. First things first, from the FC24 main menu, navigate to the Customize tab. This is where we'll find all the settings to tweak our gameplay experience. Use your controller's bumpers or triggers to scroll through the top menu options. Once you're in the Customize menu, look for the Settings option. It's usually represented by a gear icon. Select Settings. In the Settings menu, you'll see several options. We need to go into audio. Scroll down using your pad or analog stick until you find it and then select it. Okay, now we're in the audio settings here. You'll find the voice chat options. Look for something labeled voice chat or voice chat settings. It might be slightly different depending on your platform, but the core concept remains the same. Enable voice chat by toggling the setting to on or enabled. You might also find options to adjust the microphone volume, voice chat volume, and even mute other players. If needed, adjust these settings to your preference. Now, to make sure everything's working smoothly, you can usually find a voice chat test option within the settings. This allows you to speak into your microphone and hear yourself back, ensuring that your microphone is properly connected and configured. And that's it. You've successfully turned on voice chat in FC20. For now, you can strategize with your teammates and coordinate your attacks for victory. Don't forget to adjust the volume settings as needed for the best experience. Good luck out there.